Have you ever noticed how easy it is to get trapped inside your own mind? A simple decision becomes complicated. A small problem becomes overwhelming. A future challenge becomes a source of anxiety. The mind begins asking questions. What if this goes wrong? What if I fail? What if I make the wrong decision? What if I am not ready? And before long, hours become days. Days become weeks. Weeks become months. Not because action is impossible, but because thinking has replaced doing. The truth is, thinking is useful. Overthinking is not. Thinking solves problems. Overthinking creates them. And one of the biggest reasons people remain stuck is not a lack of talent, not a lack of opportunity, not a lack of potential. It is because they spend so much time thinking about life that they truly never start living. Part 1. The Trap of Overthinking. Many people believe that if they think long enough, they will eventually find the perfect answer, the perfect plan, the perfect decision, the perfect moment. But life rarely works that way. The more they think, the more possibilities appear. And the more possibilities that appear, the harder it becomes to choose. Soon, what started as careful thinking becomes paralysis. A person who wants to start a business spends months researching instead of starting. A person who wants to pursue a dream spends years planning instead of acting. A person who wants to make a change keeps waiting for the perfect time. The challenge is that overthinking creates the illusion of progress. It feels productive, it feels responsible, it feels safe. But while the mind is busy analyzing every possibility, life continues moving forward, and opportunities rarely wait for perfect certainty. The truth is that overthinking does not make decisions easier. It often makes them harder. Part 2. Waiting for certainty. Many people delay action because they want certainty. They want guarantees. They want proof that everything will work out. They want to know exactly what will happen before they begin. But certainty is a luxury that life rarely provides. Most opportunities come wrapped in uncertainty. Most growth begins with unanswered questions. Most success starts before confidence arrives. Think about the people you admire. Very few of them began with complete certainty. They started despite their doubts, despite their fears, despite not knowing exactly how things would unfold. The challenge is that waiting for certainty often becomes an excuse for inaction because there is always one more question, one more concern, one more reason to wait. And while you are waiting for certainty, someone else is gaining experience, someone else is learning, someone else is growing. The truth is that confidence rarely comes before action. More often, it follows it. Part 3. Action creates clarity. One of the biggest misconceptions in life is believing that clarity comes before action. In reality, clarity often comes because of action. You learn by doing. You grow by trying. You discover the path by walking it. Many people spend months trying to figure out what to do. Yet a single day of action would teach them more than months of thinking. Action provides feedback. Action provides experience. Action reveals what works and what does not. Thinking can only take you so far. Eventually, life requires movement. Imagine someone standing at the edge of a road, refusing to take the first step until they can see the entire journey. They may stand there forever because the road only reveals itself as they move forward. The same is true in life. You do not need all the answers. You only need enough courage to take the next step. And often, that step creates the clarity you were searching for all along. Part 4. The Cost of Overthinking. Overthinking is expensive. not financially, but emotionally, mentally, and sometimes even physically. It steals peace of mind. It steals energy. It steals confidence. Many people replay the same thoughts over and over again, analyzing conversations that have already happened, worrying about situations that have not happened, imagining outcomes that may never happen. The mind becomes trapped in a cycle. The same questions, the same doubts, the same fears, again and again. The challenge is that overthinking rarely solves the problem. It simply keeps the problem alive. And while your attention remains trapped there, you lose the ability to focus on what matters: your goals, your growth, your relationships, your future. The cost of overthinking is not only the time you lose, it is the life you fail to experience while you are lost in your thoughts. Part 5: Most fears never happen. The human mind is incredibly powerful. Unfortunately, it is also incredibly creative. It can create entire stories that do not exist. It can imagine rejection before anyone says no, failure before anything has begun, embarrassment before anyone is watching. Many people spend days, weeks, and even years suffering from problems that never happen. They experience the pain in advance, the stress in advance, the anxiety in advance, only to discover later that their fears were never real. That does not mean fear should be ignored. Fear can be useful. It can alert us to genuine risks. But many fears are simply possibilities, not realities. And there is a big difference between preparing for reality and suffering from imagination. The truth is that many people suffer more in their minds than they ever do in real life. Part 6: Progress over Perfection. Overthinking often hides behind perfectionism. People tell themselves they are being careful, being responsible, being thorough. But beneath the surface, they are often afraid of making mistakes. They want the perfect plan, the perfect decision, the perfect timing, the perfect outcome. The problem is that perfection does not exist, and the pursuit of perfection often becomes the enemy of progress. Every successful person has made mistakes. Every successful person has taken imperfect action. Every successful person has learned along the way. Progress is built through movement, not perfection. The first step will not be perfect. The first attempt will not be perfect. The first result will not be perfect. But perfection is not the goal. Growth is. And growth belongs to those who are willing to begin before everything feels ready. Part 7: Take the first step. The solution to overthinking is not more thinking. It is action. Not reckless action, not careless action, purposeful action. Small action, consistent action. The next time you find yourself trapped in your thoughts, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, am I solving a problem or am I creating one? Am I preparing or am I procrastinating? Am I thinking or am I overthinking? Because there comes a point where more thinking no longer helps. It only delays. And every day spent waiting is a day that can never be recovered. Remember this: you do not need all the answers before you begin. You do not need complete certainty before you move forward. You do not need the perfect plan before you take action. You only need the courage to take the first step. Because action creates experience. Experience creates confidence. And confidence creates momentum. The life you want will not be built by endless thinking. It will be built by action. Take the first step. The rest will become clearer along the way.